This is a demonstration of the Philco 482 that I just recently restored. Let's start off on the broadcast band. We'll start with the push buttons. This is WSM 650. WLW 700. Still a little early for that to come in well. WSV 750. WLS 800. Again, still a little early for that to come in. WRVA 1140.
And I enjoyed that period of time when we had sort of this quietness in
and
these
WLAC
historically
1510.
volatile.
Retirement hour every Sunday morning at 6 and again at 10. Insurance products.
Now we'll go up the broadcast band.
Easily controlling everything from the InTouch app. Plus receipts going to
That's just above 550. That's a little above 600. That's WLS in Nashville.
Working on the internet with ReputationDefender.com's patented scan.
Is WSM.
It's like constant. You stop and break, you got a chance to win the game. Yeah. All right.
Mud Love In on 70s.
You can see how many stations. It's just, and there's no outside antenna. This is the built-in loop antenna that this radio came with. Remember, this demonstration is all being done on the actual loop antenna that the radio came with. The FM will be with the antenna that the radio was made with that actually clips around the power cord and then goes as a wire that goes up and feeds the signal into the radio.
As part of Lowe's Centennial Celebration,
Lego vinyl styles. Buy 4, get 4 free. There's no limit. Plus, get an
answer for both schools and for parents that have decided to bring their child's classroom. Cause of ED, not just the symptoms. For proven lasting results, call Peak Performance for Men. Hey, Trish, is the only one?
Now we're heading up toward 1300.
multiple receivers, 3 or 4 receivers.
testing for these things you're talking about. And
Obviously, first of all, 9264. Green Meadows gone full.
Now we're up past 1600 into what years ago was a police band. Okay, now we'll go to shortwave and work our way down on that. We're up above 1555 megacycles, so we're going to work our way down from there. Again, remember, this is without any outside antenna. This is all going to be on the built-in antenna in the radio. A lot of interference because of the power lines, but we'll see what we can get.
Registrado 25.348 pacientes. Indiscutiblemente 107 casos nuevos estaban en el día de ayer.
Now we're down just below 12 megacycles. This is that band that's just below 12 megacycles. And now you're not going to get much below that.
Todavía elevado, pero con una reducción en comparación con el 98.
Now we're heading down toward 10 megacycles. We should pick up some more stuff below that.
Information, all at saveus.org.
And so that's what we get on shortwave at this hour. And again, like I say, that's without any outside antenna, which is pretty darn good. Now we're going to demonstrate the FM band.
From this live event recorded in Tarrytown, New York.
mission today. We're talking about trusting him personally, which brings me all the way back to the good news I share with you all. A word to the wise is not to think against others. If anybody ever met me, everybody wanted to be a pro baseball player and pro football player, but you know.
And Tennessee's offense has been perfect so far in the first half. 2 touchdowns, 6:52 to go in the first. Our score from Neyland Stadium. Tennessee 14, Bowling Green nothing.
And sport coats, since they never go out of style. Others never.
But with the powerful towing and payload that Ford F-150 delivers, you can take it all with you.
So you can see how many FM stations come in again, and that's just on the little built-in antenna that runs off of the pulls its signals in off of the power line. I find that amazing. Now let's give it one last try on the push buttons and see how they come. It's a little darker out, so maybe we'll get better reception. Let's give it one more try.
Everybody's in school across the country, and
that's 700. There we are. WSM 650. WLS 700. WSV 750. A little rough on WLS still, on 890. Just barely can hear it. Have to get a little darker for that to come in well. WRVA 1140.
Now, with locations in Newport News, Virginia Beach, or Richmond.
WLAC 1510.
Titans defensive tackle Jarrell Casey has announced his retirement.
And
Casey spent 9.
The off button. So that's how a Philco 48482 works when it's been restored and is working the way it should.